Okay, today we have an iPhone 7 that has no power. So let's plug in the charging cable and see what we get on the power supply. So the power supply doesn't respond to anything, so there's no charge or anything. Now let's hook up the tri-charge tester, see what we get. So TriStar is okay, but it says check VCC main. So when it says that on an iPhone 7, usually there's short somewhere. So let's go to microscope and see better. Okay, let's look at the microscope. Let's take out this LCD screen. Now let's go to ZXW or schematic or let's go to schematic. Schematic. Let's see. Let's go to iPhone 7. This is an iPhone 7. AB, Intel, Polygon. This one's fine. Okay, iPhone 7. VVD main is right here, which we can easily access to. That's our VVD main. Okay. Okay. Let's take a close look. So let's try to measure VD main. VVD main, okay. It's so dark here. There you go, much better. Well, VVD main is not short. So let's try stars. Okay, VVD main. So the phone is not short. Let's just take a dynamo reading, see what we get. So we're getting 0.53 volts. That seems pretty high. Let's go to, yeah, that's about right. 0.5. So the phone is not short, but it doesn't respond, and then the charging port is okay. Let's try to hook up the power supply, see if we can get a boot up. So it may be related to the charging. Yeah. That takes a while to boot. Okay, so it boot up. It boot up fine. So the phone is boot up fine. Yeah, this phone is not charging. So it could be a bad charging IC. So the charging IC is in the back of this phone right here. So this could be bad. So let's try to replace this. Yeah, so here's the schematic. Here's the charging IC. This Tigris, sometimes it's bad, then we need to replace it. Looks like the phone is working fine, but it's just the Tigris is not charging the phone. Okay, let's go ahead and replace it. We need to take out the board out of the housing and replace it. Okay, so we took the board out of the housing. This is our Tigris right here. Okay, let's remove out the Tigris and replace it, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's clean it up. Okay, it looks like we need to replace the charge star as well. Most of the times when the Tigris go bad, the charge star will go bad as well. So let's go ahead and replace that. Okay. Let's find a TriStar, iPhone 7 TriStar. Okay. Slide in. It's good. So let it cool down. Okay, the board has cooled down. Let's and see if we can charge it. Okay. Okay, let's plug in the charging port. Okay, it's looks like it's charging. Seems like it's charging. It's charging at 0.3 because this battery was out of commission for a while. So, okay, now it's charging at 2 amp exactly. So let's wait a little bit for it to charge the battery. Okay, it looks like the phone is powering on. Looks like it's charging at 1.4 amps, which is normal. Okay, phone is powered up and it's charging. So it's at 3%. Yeah, phone is working fine. Power up. Yeah, so this phone was the reason why it didn't power on or could power on because it wasn't able to charge. That's why. So we replaced the charging and also we put on a TriStar tester. It's showing this short on VVD main. But we checked VD main, it's not short, so it probably came from the IC. So we checked replaced the charging IC, and that didn't work as well. That's because usually if the charging IC goes out, you will need to replace the TriStar as well, because that's controlling the charging IC. If the charging IC is short, Tigris is short, usually short out the TriStar as well. So you will need to replace both ICs. So that's what we did. We replaced the charging IC and also the TriStar IC. So now the phone is charging normally at 1.8 amps and it's working fine. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you haven't done so and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. Bye. See you guys on the next video.